Hello, Professor Sandy. So here I am with my Excel #1 project. As you may know, I had a hard time achieving the 3D exploded pie chart. I do not know why, but it was not working for me yesterday. But here it is. So I proceeded by entering manually all the property values from property 1 to property 5. And then I proceeded by entering the formulas, and that gave me the total, the average, the maximum, and the minimum. And then I proceeded by going to charts, going to pie, and picking the 3D exploded pie, which then gave me what looks like this, the graph. Then I proceeded by entering the data, which I did it entering data. The data was already entered. The data that was already entered. I'm sorry. I did it from A4 to B8, which were all the properties that were entered. And then I also entered the total, the average, the max, and the minimum that I already had entered, which was from A10 to B13. And this is how my pie graph achieved, what I achieved on the pie graph, showing the total, the average, the max, and the minimum distributed. I think this is good for people who are actually not that good with numbers. They can actually see the difference, how it's illustrated here. And I learned that Excel it makes it much easier just entering formulas for you and calculating everything at the instant.